How to register Scene Card account online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Scene Register. Now, go ahead and tap on the very first link that says for Register for Scene Plus. You will then be led to the sign up page, so go ahead and fill in the form shown to you. Start by entering your email and then enter the password. Make sure your password must include at least 8 characters, at least one number, at least one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter, and lastly, it should include at least one special character. Now, go ahead and re-enter your password. You will then be asked if you picked up a card in store that you would like to register. Tap on yes or no checkbox accordingly. Now go ahead and tap on the terms and conditions checkbox, and finally tap on the next button and further follow the on-screen prompts to complete the registration process. So this is how you can register a Scene Card account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.